Introducing Dispensing Technology Corporation's trailer-mounted BigShot 600 bituminous application system. With a compact, maneuverable footprint, it includes a fold-down operator seat for convenience. And this versatile trailer can be fully customized to meet your specific needs. All of our trailers carry certification from the National Association of Trailer Manufacturers to meet all Department of Transportation and Society of Automotive Engineers rules and regulations for over-the-road trailers. The BigShot 600 is equipped with a 600-pound capacity air-jacketed melter with a durable, hydraulically driven low-speed, high-torque agitator motor. The system comes standard in either propane or diesel-fired configurations, both offering a clean and efficient fuel choice at the customer's discretion. These systems are a completely turnkey package. Just add fuel and material and get to work. Standard BigShot 600 features include quick and efficient startup, electronic ignition with flame sense safety circuit, digital readout temperature control, and digital over temperature safety cutoff circuit. An 8-gallon per minute pressure compensated hydraulic pump with a 10-gallon hydraulic fluid reservoir, 2 10-gallon diesel tanks or single 100-pound propane tank with 2-stage regulator to provide the correct pressure to the burner, full sweep dual blade agitator with auger powered by a low-speed, high-torque hydraulic motor which provides quick initial melt rate and fast remelting, lid-mounted vent port to protect the operator in case of material flash, heavy-duty loading door and dispensing chute with anti-splash safety flap plate to protect the operator when loading material. For safety during transportation, a heavy-duty slam lock mechanism secures the material loading door. The system comes standard with a durable 10-foot heated hose and 24-inch electrically heated wand with duckbill valve at the end to minimize dripping. Optional 15-foot hose and/or 4-inch wand are also available. Steel welded construction with powder-coated or plated exterior surfaces. All tanks are constructed with a heavy steel flat bottom and equipped with a 3/8-inch floating stainless steel flame shield to prevent direct contact between the flame and the bottom of the tank. Hardened alloy steel piston and pump provides accurate shot size as well as longevity and durability. Trailer features include a trailer measurement of 98.5 inches wide with a 132-inch bed and an overall trailer length of 179 inches, a 7,000-pound gross vehicle weight rating, equipped with torsion axles for a smooth and comfortable ride. All welded steel construction, heavy wall, rectangular steel tube frame, and durable diamond plate decking on all walking surfaces. Adjustable C-channel hitch mount, which allows for quick and easy height changes. Your choice of a pintle hitch or 2 5/16-inch ball hitch. A 5,000-pound electric trailer jack. In the event of power loss, a hand crank can be utilized. Safety chains provide protection in case of sudden loss of connection. 16-inch ST-rated trailer tires with heavy-duty 9/16-inch lug on 8 by 6.5-inch wheels. The folding adjustable operator seat features locking safety pins, rubber bumpers, a safety seat belt, adjustable backrest and armrests, foot pedal for hands-free dispensing, 10-foot hose for hard-to-reach gore areas, fully adjustable and articulated gun and gun arm. Gun is removable for functionality, flexibility, and tough-to-reach areas. Good range of motion. Gun extends up to 30 inches out and away from the operator. An optional second operator seat is also available. Dispensing Technology Corporation's versatile, heavy-duty trailer-mounted bituminous application systems come standard with a wealth of features and accessories designed with you and your crews in mind. If you need a different size or configuration, please let us know. We're happy to put together systems and trailers of other sizes or different capacities to match your specifications. For almost 40 years, Dispensing Technology Corporation has been providing innovative equipment solutions for the pavement marking and pavement maintenance industries worldwide. All of our solutions are proudly made in the USA. Simple, durable, and accurate summarizes the design objective of our equipment. We remain dedicated to delivering the same exceptional quality, service, and innovation on which we've built our reputation. Learn more or order today at www.dispensingtech.com.